1999 Chevrolet Cavalier Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 39,000 and some odd miles. We're going to check out the interior, look at the exact miles, start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, let's go ahead and check this thing out. Front fascia, hood, headlights, everything's looking good up front on this one. The headlights aren't faded. Not a bunch of rock chips, dings, nicks. Yes, you might find a little spot where there's a little touch up from a little pebble chip or what have you. But overall, bright red paint on this car shows very well. Underneath the hood, 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder dual overhead cam. Automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot, power windows, power locks, power top. And check out the still pictures. You'll see this car from every angle, top up, top down. You're also going to see the engine bay, but look at the undersides. It is unbelievable. Underside pictures and the rest of them can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Chevrolet wheels, and that is a wheel, not a wheel cover. Goodyear radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and again, you can see it's not full of corrosion, rust, nicks, dings, scratches. This thing is in incredible condition for a 1999. You can tell it was adult owned and driven, well maintained. White interior, still has the convertible top cover. Of course, the folding rear seat, bucket seats up front, AM, FM, CD player, center console. Once again, we're going to get around to that driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. It will also come with a car cover. There's one in a bag right over there, as well as a showroom brochure, a couple license plates. We're going to send that right along with it. If you're looking for an inexpensive car for some summer fun, put the top down, enjoy the summer. Here you go. You can do it without breaking the bank. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Said it brakes as it should, just what you'd expect with the miles. It does have new pads up front. Rears are 80% as far as the brakes go. Complete exhaust. The only thing he noted, the struts in the trunk, they're a little bit weak as far as holding that trunk lid up. That is all they came up with on this car. Look down this driver's side, again, really free of any corrosion. Major nicks, dings, scratches. Yes, will you maybe find a little nick or just a little chip or a touch-up? Yes, it's a 1999, but overall, very nice condition. All right, how about the interior? It is white. Let's check out that. Door panel looks good. A couple little scuffs from a shoe going in and out down here, but again, nothing major. Look at these seats. No rips, tears, holes, really much for discoloration, anything like that. It does have a white top also, and it is a power top. I'm going to show you how that functions. Goes up and down, tilt column, cruise control. This thing's loaded up for a Cavalier. All right. How about these exact miles? Right down here. There they are, 39,953. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So that was a cold start. You can see over here by the temp gauge. Wouldn't expect that to be up. That's just my seat belt warning indicator. I don't have my seat belt on. Fuel gauge working, tack working. And again, 39,953 miles, clean Carfax. Look at the underside pics. Dash looks good. And AM, FM. Stereo working. His hair was striking. All right. Slip around to the back so you can, so you can hear this run. Of course, nothing crazy with that exhaust. I'd say what a 1999 stock Cavalier should sound like. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. We're gonna check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, I'm gonna show you the power top working up and down. Jason will take it for a drive. All right, hood popped. Look at that hood liner. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. It's not stained, discolored, and wow. You talk about a clean engine bay. There it is, a 2.4 liter. Dual overhead cam, inline 4-cylinder. This is spotless. Wow. It's a clean engine bay. All right, let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. Check out the condition of that. And like I said, Jason's gonna take it for a drive. It's a 99 Chevrolet Cavalier Z24 convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's check out that top. And the convertible top up. All right, we latched it above the windshield, so nice tight fit there. White vinyl. It's kind of a nice heavy top. As far as material wise, rolled up the side glass, and you see how that fits. That fits nicely. One little spot, I noticed where it has a little patch or mend to it right there. If you need it to keep you out of the rain or sun, the top's gonna serve its purpose just fine. It's probably been down more than it's been up. Glass rear window, electric rear defog, and around over here to the passenger side. Good condition over here. Side glass also rolled up, nice fit there. And above the windshield again. Nice low mile car for 1999 model year. Check out the undersides of this car. It's amazing how clean it is. Interior, of course, exterior, and all those still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. I will show you the top and how it functions, going back into the storage compartment too, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Cavalier convertible in red. This car is special because it has less than 40,000 miles on it as of this moment. Like brand new. An automatic on the center console, power windows, center storage, all those things you love from 1999. Even a CD player, and I have not tested CD. but the stereo FM works well. Got a little tractor traffic here. Let's go around him. Gauges are working well, speedometer working, tachometer working. This car feels like new. The shifts are nice and firm and crisp. Steering is tight in a good way. Fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. Temperature 190, right where they like to be happy. Blower motor's working. Cruise control functions. We've got tilt. This is a convertible, if I did not mention it. The top is up today on this cool day in Minnesota, and there is not much wind noise. It is a nice, quiet cabin. Great ergonomics on these seats. They appear to me to be leather, and they're white. White inserts in the doors, going well against that kind of a, I don't know, what do you say, concrete color, and black. Very muted against the nice bright red paint. Smooth idle. These were nice. This is a Z24, so you've got extra power. They're actually pretty quick and decent miles per gallon. Good handling in the corners. A light, nimble car, small car. There, I'm only getting 4,500 RPM and lots of torque coming out for this tiny little car to pull itself down the road. Take a look at all the pictures of this Z24 Cavalier from 1999 at uniqueclassiccars.com.